Hi, it's Hadreset and today I'll show you how to fix dark screen colors and low brightness on Samsung Galaxy A26. First, go into the settings and then find the display. Here, try disabling the adaptive brightness. Then manually change the brightness on your phone. You can take off the screen protector and then try enabling adaptive brightness, also cleaning the front camera. And if none of this worked, then try restarting your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.